guys, so today on Basti Kicks Place, we are in Tri-J Tires. So today, we are replacing the tires of our Toyota Innova. So here, we are gonna remove the rim from the tire. So let's speed that part up. Let's just wait first. So here, they are removing the rim from the tire, as I said earlier. And they are also removing all the air from the tire so that later, when they put on the new tire, they'll put in some air. And then you will see that near the end of the video. For now, just wait until the end of the video. There will also be some whistling from the tires when they're going out of air. So, yeah, you'll be fine if you heard that in real life. Just listen along till the end. Here, they are installing the new tire to the rim. Here, they will inflate the tire back up. Right after that, they will wash the tire. And right after that, they'll put it back onto the car. So as you can see here, he's wiping the tire. And then now he's gonna put the tire back on the rim. Just like that. So right now, we are now gonna fill the tire with some air. So let's wait for that part. A few minutes later. Here, they are putting air in the tire. After this, they will put the tire back onto the car. After this procedure, they will lower the jack stand after they put the tire back on the car, and then the tires will be good as new, and then we'll replace the spare, even though that isn't shown in the video. Okay, now they're gonna wash the tires. Oh, they're coming over here now? Now they're gonna do the same thing for the front wheels.